So we found some cats. And they've been taken hostage. We've tried to let them go, but it's not working. So we have to see if they're still alive or not. Let's go find out. Shoes, that's not a good sign.
See?
See, they've already got the electric collar on the orange cat. It's not going anywhere. They've got the water running. They're gonna drown them for a little bit. It's all about mind control.
What? You can hear your own self.
They're acting innocent.
But don't let it fool you. They are dangerous.
They're trying to get away from the cameras.
Yeah. They're trying to be inconspicuous.
We really have to put this video on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm going to actually. This is how you do not treat a stray cat.
You hear how they cry.
Look how sad it
They're
looks.
trying to make a plan.
Look how sad they look. It's tragic.
And there they go.
Now they're running away.
We must follow.
We have to wait till they go around the corner. Hold on one second. Yeah, we don't want to look conspicuous
While April swings.
while April swings and doesn't care. Not a worry, not a care in the world. She doesn't care about the cats. Who doesn't care about the cats? That's one of their minions.
It's a distraction.
Now, I saw one of them peek. Oh, there's another distraction.
Well, this one.
I saw one of them peek around the building.
Tanner, you got to stay just looking around you. I'm gonna cut that little clip out and make sure this kid on YouTube. So they're making hanging houses.
And they've brought another person into the mix.
It's their leader.
It's their leader. So close, so close.
She tried. She did not succeed. So comes the fearless warrior, Sandy.
Oh my god!
And the plan is ruined.
The plan is ruined because of me.
Yet again. Don't worry, I'm hanging out at the corner more than you are.
Oh, the distraction worked. The distraction worked.
Get back on it.
Oh,
So the orange cat and now the black cat are nowhere to be seen.
Yeah.
It sees
oh,
us. It's
oh.
trying to come.
It's trying. It's trying.
And April again is
Oh.
swinging. Look at her.
It's a ploy to make me think this is a good thing. It's not. It's animal cruelty.
And there is the warrior.
There's the warrior.
Distraction.
Distraction. And the cat.
The target. The target.
The target.
Where's the yellow?
And there's April swinging.
Where's the orange?
With not a care in the world. Just swinging.
They're around the other way, Tanner. They might be coming around back to fool us.
Yeah, this is all. Yeah. Oh. Distraction. Oh.
I was thinking about, but then I thought of all the germs that could be on it.
Yeah, germs are
Like,
bad.
One, yeah, don't mess with
We
germs.
just got speared. The people just got hurt.
Hey, let me see. I want to pet it.
Let me go. Let me know what comes of that.
Free the cat. Free the cat.
crotch and say, is this a boy or a girl? I'm on video. And I said, does it have a ding dong? I didn't know this was video.
Here, help me. Help me.
We got nothing out of it.
Nothing.
Ellie.
It looks like this is going to be a lost cause.
We might can pull it together.
We will not be able to free the cats. One is gone. Oh, one has escaped.
This is on camera. It can make it.
Go, go.
Don't go towards the fence. It's closed.
No.
They're both gone.
Now cut it off. Cut it off real quick. Make them look like they made it.
I can't get the
No,
other cat
we
in
gotta
there.
wait till they go through the sunset. Oh God, and there they come.
Oh, I love that one by the fence with the
Tail
tail
on
on
it.
it too.
Torture it.
That little dark.
Whoa!
They're free. They're free.